ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Jairaj. Children, the last two videos, we have seen how Evelyn Glennie was getting deaf slowly. From the age of 8, by 11, she was caught by others, she was trying to hide and taken to the doctor. The doctor told, you have to use hearing aids. She was shocked. She felt everything is going out of her control for some time. But she was not ready to give up like you people. She was ready to take the charge in the hand and told, no, I will study in this school and see that I will continue my music career also. Then one day she was just standing in the school and she saw one student was playing a special instrument called xylophone. You can see that. A musical instrument with a row of wooden bar of different length. A wooden instrument with a lot of wooden bars with the strings on that and with in the hand two sticks. Like drums they are playing, they will just tap it and create different variations of sound. So that is called a xylophone. By seeing that, she also decided that I will also play this. Remember, she is already deaf. Up to the age of 8, she was alright. She learned something, she heard many things, she learned music also. From the piano competition only, she was noticed, she is not able to hear. Now let us see what happens. I am reading for you. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by turning two large drums to different notes. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way. And I told the potential, ability, quality that can be developed. Coming to the explanation, the word potential. You might be knowing this word is there in science in many places, especially when you are learning electricity. Potential difference, such things you will be coming across in the higher classes. The real meaning of potential is that some kind of ability, energy, something which is there, existing, something is there, something somebody is possessing. Something is possessing. It has a great potential. In that way, if you say, the meaning is some capacity or ability which can be developed. Word meaning is clear now? Let us see what has happened. Most of the teachers told, Evelyn, you can't do it. Why? You are deaf. But the music teacher, Ron Forbes, he was an instrumental teacher. He saw some spark is there in this girl. She's so highly potential, something is there in her. So he took two drums. One is a little higher and comparatively other one is lower. And he started playing and he told her to feel the sound some other way other than the ears. For example, when planes are moving at a low level with a high speed, even without hearing, if you touch the glasses, the buildings, you can feel the vibrations. We can also do it. Sometimes more than the sound by hearing with the ears, we feel it by the vibration through the legs. A train which is not heard by ear, but if you stand near to the railway track, you can feel the vibration coming even if it is from the curb. These kind of possibilities or capacities are there with us. So he told, learn or sense it some other way. Says Evelyn, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different part of her body. When he told, Evelyn suddenly realized, yes, I can also feel these vibrations. It's not a big thing. Even the ears are not working. Through the body, she realized that I can feel it. She felt the bigger drum, I can feel it through upper part of the waist. And the lower one, below the waist, through the leg and the skin, she could feel it. So she decided, she started in that way how to sense all these vibrations. I had learned to open my mind and body to the sounds and vibrations. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom. Toured means went for a tour. United Kingdom with the youth orchestra. And by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. See, a girl of 11-year-old started learning the drums with the help of an expert called Ron Forbes. She did only one thing. That quotation of the proverb what she told, I am telling once again. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. Instead of opening the ears, I opened my mind, my body to sense the vibrations of the surrounding. We are not using our senses. We have a lot of abilities. Close your eyes and listen to the surrounding. When your teachers are telling, you don't concentrate on that. That is why you don't hear anything other than your friends talking. In your home, in the school, when prayer or something is happening, close your eyes and just listen. You can feel the wind moving. That sound also you can sense it. I don't know how many of you are doing it. Close your eyes and just keep concentrating. Wait for the sound of the wind when there is no wind. You can feel it is moving. That is why if you take a glass and keep it on here, you can feel the movement of the particles. But you need a glass for that. You can't do it alone. Why? Because we don't use our body. We don't use our mind. That's what she told. I had learned to open my mind and body to the sounds and vibration. The remaining is only hard work. Method is this. How to learn the music without hearing is open your heart, open your mind, open your body and start sensing. Remaining is only hard work. And that way, working hard, she went to the different part of United Kingdom, that is England, along with a youth orchestra. Young people's group of musicians is called orchestra. And she became famous. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of Academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to the solo performance. At the end of the 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. From there, when she became a little famous, along with the orchestra, she thought going with them, with the help, being part of that is not enough. So finally what she did, she went for a competition or an audition. You know what is auditions? For real shows or reality shows in the TVs. Nowadays people come to different city and call the participants and they take an audition. If in the audition you are selected, you are taken to the studio and the program is broadcasted. So she went for an audition, not a small place, the Royal Academy of Music. That is the first audition she was going. That is the starting of this lesson. So at the age of 16, she went there. She got selected. She got the highest mark. And within 3 years, she completed her course in music. And she started playing alone. She started playing solo performances. And from there, and for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and to know where you are going, you will get there. And she got so many awards within the 3 years. And after getting all these things, she is not much interested to say, I am a heroine, I am a great hero. Nothing. She is simply telling, if you know what you are doing, and if you want to reach somewhere, you simply must know where you want to go. Work hard. You will reach there. People think that things are hard. Especially at your age, you think things are hard. Math is tough, science is tough. The life itself is tough. But what Evelyn is saying, a 16 to 19-year-old girl is telling very simple. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousands instruments and hectic international schedule. Hectic, busy. Hectic means busy. Now coming to the point. With this hard work, with this sensing, and with this opening the mind and body to the nature, she learned how to learn the music. Within 3 to 4 years, she became one of the most famous instrumentalists, playing different kinds of instruments. Of course, she cannot sing because she cannot hear her voice. But other things she could feel it. And she became a multi-percussionist, different kinds of instruments. She started playing and she had a heavy, busy schedule. Very, very busy schedule. She hadn't time to rest. Such a famous musician she became at the age of 19 to 20. You are not far away. You are very close to her age. Just imagine. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with a bushy beard give me trouble. She laughed. It is not just watching the lips. It is the whole face, especially the eyes. Intriguing means fascinating or curious. The people who is watching her, who knows music and who knows the difficulty of a person who cannot hear and perform in such a way, for them it is a curious thing how this girl is performing. Not able to hear, but she is very coolly looking at the instruments and she is playing any kind. How she is knowing whether she played correctly, she made the note correctly, all that is a wonderful thing to others. She is effortlessly doing, with not putting any tension, not putting any big hard work when she is performing. Very effortlessly, very coolly, enjoying she is doing it. So it is very curious to watch. It is very fascinating to watch. And when this person interviewed her, she used to make fun. Men with the beard. You know what's beard? Beard people. Men with the beard makes me laughing. She is giving. Men with the bushy beard give me trouble. She laughed. It is not just watching the lips. It is the whole face, especially the eyes. She is telling when men with the bushy, this thing, the lip between the beard looks funny for me and it irritates me or I feel laughing at them. This is what she is saying in an interview. Then you will be thinking how she will be able to hear. Up to 8-year-old, she was studying with every normal student. She knows how to read, write, everything. So, by that practice which she had, she can understand what other people are talking by the lip movement and she is still able to talk. Very simple. But the funny thing is not that. The most curious thing is not that. That will be told in the coming video. Is that clear? In the next video, we will talk how she learned other subject and also the characteristics or the behavior of this girl. Okay? God.